life consists of time. And if you waste your time, you're wasting your life. You know, I had to realize that once I went through prison and then went through a divorce and then just faced life for what it was and then had to go back to figure things out. And I realized that I had no time to dwell on the past things. Whatever happened, happened. I got to let it go. I got to find my own path and just keep going with things. And I had to learn that there was no need for me to ask for permission, only for forgiveness, if I so happen to hurt someone's feeling on my way. You know what I mean? But I couldn't let it stop me because I got a mission. And the only thing that can stop me is my life being taken. But I realized that I couldn't waste any time on people who have already hurt me, or people who was saying whatever, or people who was running, their mouth about me. It didn't really matter, because if I waste my time and my energy lifting them up, talking about them, doing whatever the situation was, I'm giving them my life. And I realized my life consists of time. And to me, that person isn't worth my life. Whatever happened, it is what it is. If I tried to fix it, they didn't want to fix it. It is what it is. I'm keep going. Because life consists of time. Once you get that, once you truly understand that, you'll stop wasting time. HogOn.